Okay guys, this is a 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz. It's their small truck version. Cool gray color, rebuilt title, front end damage. See, everything's fixed up as it should. Start it up here for you. 18,343 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. Bluetooth functions, backup camera. USBs. It does have a locking, looks like transfer case, auto hold. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Look at that seat, it's really clean. VIN number. All-wheel drive. Again, rebuilt title, front end damage. These are the parts that were missing. All been fixed up. No airbags deployed on this one. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.